Look at that, man. My seat's getting dirty already. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead. Gotta install the seat covers. Look at that. Look at that, man. Who you think you playing with? I'm finna get all that shit. I ain't gonna do the back seat covers. I don't really got nobody sit in the back. It's just the front two front seat. I'm do. I feel dumb, but we finna do this one. Alright. It might not be right, but I don't care. It good enough for me. Gotta, gotta put these on there. Put the shower caps on there. Oh shit. I think I did them right. I don't know. I think I did them right. Finished product. They might be wrong, but they're gonna be right today until I get a professional to put me some in a professional, because this ain't even lined up how it's supposed to be. But I ain't tripping. I don't really go nowhere. I ain't tripping. I just wanted to protect my cup, my original seats. That's the only thing I got a mail for. But yeah, though. That's the end of the video. Y'all know what to do.